Alright, this is the ultimate way to get your tile clean really fast, really good. I have marble tile. Marble tile looks great, but it's a pain. You can't use acid cleaners on it because it's literally a block of solid calcium. It's your bone, basically. Point story, if you do any of the acid cleaning or any of those basic things, it'll eat the marble and pit it, and you'll have to regrind it down and all that crap. We don't want to do that. So then there's a problem. What do you use? Then there's always expensive cleaners on the market. Screw that. None of that crap works. I tried a few of them. I don't really care for them. Here's the best cleaner I found in the whole darn world. There's these things called Scotch-Brite stainless steel scrubbing pads, right? All you do is you get yourself those. You get 3 of them. I think they're like $3 or $4. Here, a 5-gallon bucket of water. More water, the better. Why? Just because, you know, keeps all the debris that you're getting down there. And you can put a little Dawn dish soap in there just because water itself is not a good lubricant. Now, with that in mind, little Dawn dish soap, and then here's your scratch pad. It's not going to scratch your marble. Every other thing in the world scratches the damn marble. The thing that is nice about this, it comes off and it's clean. And, you know, sometimes things that they work good but they make a big mess. I saw a YouTube guy where a guy uses a wood board and he smashes it against the marble to try to get rid of his thin set. I got that thin set crap everywhere too. Believe me. Here, look. Yep, it's everywhere. So, point of story, look how bad of a job I did. The reason why I did that bad of a job, I got tired, it was late at night, I didn't care anymore, it was 4 a.m. The end. 17 hours of going at the tiling, I had enough. I went to bed. I'm going to show you real time how I did this whole section right here. This whole section, still working on it. That's approximately 10, you know, not 3 to 12 inches. Those aren't 12, shh, I know. And I did those in less than 6 minutes. I know it was less than 6 minutes because the song was 6 minutes. So all I'm going to say, how you do this, it's very simple. I can go over the real nasty stuff, but it's all the same. All you do is you take your pad. You can figure it out from here. Dip it in the bucket of water. I mean, this is thin set, guys. If you can't clean your other marble and just go to town. Get some music, caffeine in your blood. Just keep stretching, it'll come right off. Look at that, buffing off. There's no need for any of those heavy-duty scrubbers or any of that professional treatment, blah, blah, blah. Scratch it down, reseal it. Nope, don't do that. A lot of water, a little bit of soap in there to get it so it's more lubricated against the tile. Keep dipping it. I got a little plastic putty. I don't really care for it that much. In fact, I ain't going to use it, just for the sake of the purpose of the video. But if I can take thin set off quickly, reliably, then you can take off whatever you want from marble much faster and keeping it safe. Again, I want to emphasize, this does not scratch it. Everything else scratches marble tile, but this does not scratch marble tile. I mean, this is on, that's like a 1/4 inch of thin set just leaking on there. I'm going to take it right off. You get the point. Works great. Ooh, see it coming off. Okay. Alright, smarty pants. You don't see it coming off? Well, there it goes. I like to clean everything. Not just one spot this time. That's thin set, guys. I just rubbed thin set off like butter. Okay? This is how you do it. This is how you're going to clean your marble the rest of your life. Because I haven't found a better way. And if anyone finds a better way, let me know. I don't care, but I don't care to, you know, say that my way is the best and this is the only way to do it. But this guys is great. And you know what? At the end of the day, anything that goes on your floor, it ain't gonna ruin it because it's not a stain. It's not like a waxy or some sort of like something that could stain your marble. I mean, I'm on the edge of I'm on my edge guard right here, and it doesn't even scratch that. And that's nothing more than a piece of aluminum coated. So that's all, guys. Take care. Have a good rest of your day. And there we go. I'll do the rest later, but you get the point. Bye.